guys, it's your girl Krystle and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a vision board for 2020. Can you believe that it's already 2020? Like, I don't know when some of y'all were born, but like, I never imagined it being 2020. Like, it's crazy. But here we are, it's 2020. So I'm going to be doing my vision board today. I know it's a little late, but you know, better late than never. I have some tea here, I have on some comfy clothes. I'm gonna show you the materials that I am going to be using. A magazine from Vogue, which is the October edition. I actually got this from work. Someone left this on the table in a cafeteria, so I just picked it up and was like, oh hey, it's mine. Well, I didn't steal it. They left them there for like people to grab and take away. And then I also have this book here. This is from 2018 City Book. And guess what? That's me. So that's some inspiration right there that needs to go on my vision board because I need to be on another magazine. So there's some inspiration in the inside as well, a lot of fashion, because you know, that's my thing. I'm all into fashion, all about fashion. And more inspiration of me in the book. That's me as well. So I'm gonna use that. I have some glue. I got this from Dollar Tree. I wanted to use a glue stick, but they didn't have any, so I figured I'll just put a couple dots in each corner of my picture and it won't get too messy. Some scissors, and this board is from Dollar Tree as well. It's pretty sturdy, so I'm gonna use this. So 2020 is here, you guys. And so 2019 was actually a pretty decent year for me. I moved, I'm still in a relationship with my boyfriend. I've been able to be closer to my family. I became closer with some of my cousins that I was not close to before. And I'm just really just enjoying this and loving my life. And I'm hoping that 2020 just continues and just like builds a better me. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Just hit the button right there. Go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for all of my subscribers that I already have. I'm at like 181, I believe. So let's just get to 200 with this video. So I usually just start by like snatching out pages that I think I would like to cut like words out of. And then I usually cut the words or the image out afterwards. This Vogue book, there's not a lot of words in it. It's just really a lot of pictures. So you have to like really look for the words that you're looking for. So here is like this cute picture of, I think this is like Italy, or I don't know where this is, but I'm gonna use this page to cut out the year 2020. So I'm just drawing 2020 on here and then I'm gonna cut it out. Hopefully it looks okay. This is the first two that I drew. I'm not that creative. That's why I'm not drawing a lot of things on here. I'm just really just like cutting and pasting. I see some people do their vision boards where they're like drawing on it and making pictures and stuff like that by hand. I'm not the girl for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this. So I just found one more magazine. I just hit myself in the face. So I just found one more magazine from my community. This is like my community magazine or something. I'm just gonna look for like some words of inspiration out of this magazine as well. Hopefully I can find some good stuff in here because I feel like I don't have enough for my board yet. But once I start pasting it on there, I don't want it to be cluttered either because like too many things is like distracting for me and I can't really see them all every single day. I'll only be focused on like a little bit here and there. So I also don't suggest putting a lot of items on your vision board because that's clutter and you don't want clutter in your world or clutter for the year. So yeah, keep it minimal, simple, classy, and easy. So now I have everything in place on how I want it on my board. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my glue, put a little glue on here and tack it all on together and see how it goes. And I'm gonna wait for you guys to subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe now. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm all done with my board. As you can see, I have it on my wall in my closet and right next to my calendar. My calendar is over here. And here we are. It's not properly propped on the wall yet. It's just on here with like this little tag that I used from Christmas decorations. So if it falls down, just bear with me. Yeah. All right, so I started at the top and with like the most important things to me, and as far as like growth and family and self and such like that. So I'm just gonna go over what I did and what I have on my board. My goals are not on this board. There's like some things on this board that are like some goals, but it's more like inspiration and more like good vibes feels for me. Sorry, I have a cold, so like my voice is really not here today. So here is a closer full-on view of my vision board. So at the top I have hashtag goals, then we have 2020. These zeros have fruit in them because obviously I need to eat more fruit and we all need fruit. We have fam up here at the top because I need to make sure that I have a great relationship with my family. Here, this picture of me because I want to be in another magazine coming up soon, or sometime this year I want to be in another magazine. Bold, we have disconnect. Disconnect because sometimes you just really need to disconnect from like the internet, from social media, from certain people or whatever. So sometimes you just got to take that time to just kind of disconnect and, you know, have that time for yourself. Let's grow together, as more so that goes with romance, because I want to grow with my boyfriend and continue to grow with him. We've been growing a lot, and this year and next year I feel like is a big opportunity for us to just really get together and like make some moves and really grow together. And we've been doing a good job with growing, so I can just only imagine like from here on out what it's going to be for us. No apologies. Like, why? What are we apologizing for? So if there's, obviously we're gonna apologize when we're in the wrong or we really have done something very bad or upset someone else. But other than that, I know sometimes we find ourselves apologizing for things that we don't really want to apologize for. And if you don't want to, then don't. Even like the smallest things, like you didn't even do anything, but you're just saying, oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. No, you're not sorry. Don't apologize for something that you're not sorry for. Positive energies. Positive energy, positive vibes, that's all I've been about for the last like 5 years. Fashion, you guys know I'm so really big into fashion and clothing and such, so that's why I have that there. Values, you always gotta have your own set of values, which sometimes it's hard to remember your values or, you know, practice your values, especially when someone puts you in that space where you're like, okay, I'm about to snap. But you gotta come back, remember like your morals and values. I have my Jeep here because I do need to get a new car coming up soon. My lease is gonna be up on my old car, so hopefully that's one of my goals, that I need to get this car. Mission, we always have a mission. We always need to have a mission. I need to have a mission when I wake up in the morning. What is my mission today? What am I going to get solved? What am I going to get done today? Brain candy. I really need to start like exercising my brain a little more. I get so stuck on my phone and on social media and everything that I don't really read a lot. I have 2K and subscribe, so I want to get 2K subscribers, and I know it's going to take a lot of hard work, but if I see it on my board every day, I really do think that that can really come to life. So 2K, so you guys make sure you're subscribing. And here is Get Your Skin, Body, and Soul Summer Ready. So we always talk about our body and our skin, but we never talk about our soul being ready for something. Get your soul ready for whatever, whether it be winter, summer, spring, fall, tomorrow. Just get it ready. Make sure your soul is ready for whatever it is that you want to take on. I almost skipped that one. First step. So there's a lot of things that we want to do in life, and we're always just like making excuses as to why we haven't done them yet. All you need to do is just that first step. Just like when I wanted to make my YouTube channel, I was always like, I was really nervous about it, and I was just like, well, I still need this, I need that. I was really just making excuses instead of just taking like that first step into it and just getting it done. So whether it be starting a YouTube channel, starting a new career, starting a business, whatever it is, you just have to take that first step and get it done. And stay committed. So that's commitment. Just stay committed to whatever you're doing. I do have issues with commitment and just like sticking to one thing and basic and like consistency. So I felt like this is really good for me to see this every day and to remind me to stay committed to what I'm doing in my journey. I used to run when I get stressed or had a lot on my mind, or I just needed like an outlet. Running was my outlet. And romance, not only, I don't see romance only with like my boyfriend or your significant other. Romance can be with your family and your friends. It's just a lot of love that's gonna be happening in 2020, and I'm just so here for it. Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys this. This is a picture of a deer. It was like the only picture I came across that was an animal. You guys know I love animals, so I just thought that it would just be cute to add that there. And nutrition. I'm not sure if I said nutrition, but that says nutrition. I try to eat healthy for the most part, but I do slack when I go out of town, or just like on random days I slack. And I just want to start to kind of mix up things in my diet and see, eat things that I didn't usually eat before, and see how that will help like my body and my skin. Money. Who doesn't want money? So there's a little reminder that we got to get this money every day. And joy. Whatever brings you joy, do it. All right, so I think I covered one more thing. I thought I didn't have a lot on this board, but it's actually a lot. So this says your brighter tomorrow begins today. Your brighter tomorrow begins today. I'm gonna smash this out. Like, tomorrow is gonna be a better day. No matter how bad today went, tomorrow is always there, and it's always gonna be a better day for me. I think I got everything covered, but like I said, these are not goals. It's more so vibes and inspiration, and just something for me to look at and remind myself on what I want to work on for the year. All right, guys, so that is all I have. Thank you so much for watching. I love sharing this process with you guys. Thank you. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers by next month, and I know you guys can make it. Right now we're at 181, I believe. So just a few more to go. So hit that subscribe button, help me out. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. So that is all I have. If you guys have any comments, questions, whatever you have, leave them in the comment section below, and I would definitely answer any questions that you guys have. If you are interested in connecting with me on Instagram, you can follow me at Krystle, which is with a K, RYSTLEW_. Go ahead and hit me up on Instagram. We can follow each other and be friends. So that is all I have. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye, and Happy New Year.